It's very helpful. Now, I've heard all of the evidence I need, and I did say I'd give you a complete opportunity, Francis, before I consider my judgment, to say anything you wanted which was of relevance. Now, before you do, remember this, as I say, Julia has to prove her case. It's not for you to prove anything. Is there anything, therefore, you'd like to add of relevance?
Well, all I wanted to say that what I wanted was everything to go well, and I never denied the payment. I just did the best I could to give them an amazing holiday, an amazing experience, and unfortunately it didn't end up like I was.
I understand. Now, I want to ask you about this, Julia, because you're still friends with Francis.
Very much so.
And if he was an unreasonable and not a decent man, you wouldn't be. You're that type of person, correct? You're not prepared, if somebody wrongs you deliberately and callously, to continue a friendship with them, right?
I'm very forgiving, but it wasn't necessary in the case with Francis.
And even if you did have a contract with Francis, and let's assume for argument's sake he may have a technical legal obligation to you, one thing that you do accept is that Francis appears to have been let down by third parties. That may not make any difference to you.
I'm afraid I don't accept that.
Well, are you saying that he did make the money from the casinos and from the hotels?
No, I'm saying that there was no solid agreement for that money ever to have exchanged hands in the first place. So I believe, while there is absolutely no malice intended on, or greed intended on Francis's part, there was a lack of business acumen in the planning of the finances.